Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain subquery and correlated subquery. First I will start with subquery, then in the another video I will explain correlated subquery. So let's start with subquery. Subquery is a query nested inside another statement such as select, insert, update or delete. So simply you can see the example of subquery here. So this is main query and we have apply filter where inside the where we have a subquery. So let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio and run this query. So I executed this query. So now let me explain how it is working. So what happened, I need the data from fact internet sales table and I want to see only data where customer key is equal to where customer belongs to geography key 37. Geography key 37 means any of it's just a code of the area location. So I want to see the customer internet sale of the customer who belongs to geography key 37, and in the fact internet sales I don't have geography key column, but I have this geography key column in dim customer table, and dim customer table have all the customer data including customer key, customer name, everything. But in fact internet sales table we have customer key. So based on this information I can write a subquery. This is the subquery. So how does it execute, like how does subquery work? It's very simple. First it execute the subquery to get list of customer key where geography key equal to 37. So first subquery executes. So now this query is giving a list of customer key for geography key 37. Now after that I have list of all customer key. Now what will happen, main query will run, and main query will compare the customer key with the value of subquery. Wherever it will match, it will return the rows. So this is how subquery work, and we can use subquery with select, insert, update or delete statement. In the next video I will explain you nested subquery. Thank you.